Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CoolZie TV, and today we're gonna do some unboxing video, another unboxing video for today product. Okay, so since I saw a lot of demand from the webcam product, right? Because of before this I make another unboxing video with a Xiaomi Zeo VV webcam, USB webcam that I use for my studio right now. Okay, this one is really cheap. This one is really cheap webcam in the market. Alright, especially compared to other product, branded product, which the price is quite high compared to that one, and got a lot of more than a 700 view for that one. So I think and because some of the people ask me to buy another high end, or maybe not really high end, but quite a high quality webcam that most high demand right now because of the pandemic, all that. People work from home, study from home, alright, and the school is closed, everything is closed, so people work from home, they need a webcam. Alright, so that's so this is a product. Okay, this is a product actually. Okay, actually this is a product that I bought last week. Okay, and I just recently get it. Alright, and actually this is a webcam as well. Alright, this is a Logitech webcam. Okay, alright. Okay, so this is the Logitech webcam. Right, this is the webcam. Okay, alright. So so let's go inside. Alright. Okay, so let's unbox. Okay, so this really small product. This is really small box. Okay, but it's okay. It's only a webcam inside. Okay. So simple only. Alright, carefully because yes, the product. Alright, okay, it's a good because the company products also, the seller also put the fragile sticker here, so the courier will know lah. Alright, okay, so this is the alternative inside. Okay, alright, okay, so this is the receipt. Alright, this is the receipt. Okay, alright, and it's only in Ringgit Malaysia is RM 419 Ringgit Malaysia. Alright, in US dollar around $99 or $89, depends on the situation lah. Alright, depends on the situation and who you buy, and also and make sure that if you want to buy stuff from someone, make sure it's a verified person, or maybe like someone who are legit, because there's so many scamming out there. Alright, okay, this is a Logitech C920 HD Pro webcam. Alright, a Logitech C920 HD Pro webcam. Alright, and okay, so alright, okay, so this is on the receipt, nothing here. Okay, alright. So this is the webcam. Alright. The box is just like the Xiaomi Zeo VV that I purchased recently. So this is the Xiaomi. Alright, if you can see, this is the Xiaomi that I purchased. I think like last 2 years. I mean like last 2 months. Alright. Okay, so this is the Xiaomi Zeo VV. Okay. So alright, as you can see, alright, not so clear. Okay, so you can see this is the camera, really simple camera. Okay, with the stand here. Okay, but I'm not going to do comparison, just show to you guys. Later on another video we make a comparison with the two product. And also I'm really sorry, I really apologize to you guys, because I want to share to you guys. Before that I said I want to make some review about the product. I already used it for more than 2 months, but still no video about the reviews. I will go on soon. Hopefully I have time, I have energy to do that. Alright, and you must support this channel, and also like and subscribe, and it will give me a lot of motivation and desire to move forward and make more product for you guys, and more content for you guys. Alright, okay, so this is the product. Okay, wrap, but with the bubble wrap. Okay, are you really like it? Alright. Oh my god. Alright, okay, I already cut the. Okay, so this is the tree. I already cut the box, but it's okay. Okay, so this is the this is the webcam. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is the webcam C920 Pro HD webcam. Okay, the shape is same like the Xiaomi Zio VV. The shape is really look like, but the quality of course different because the price is different, right? Okay, and at the here we got some just what's inside the box. Okay, alright, and at the back you have some information regarding the product like Full HD stereo audio with dual mic and Logitech capture software. Okay, they got a software here. Alright, so you need to download the software. Maybe I'm not sure yet. I'm still not sure either you have a certain software or not. But if the Xiaomi Zio VV, you don't need any software. Just buy, plug, and you can use it as normal. You just setting at your desktop lah. Alright, okay. So this is how you do it. Okay, so simple only. We open here. Alright, I really like it. Okay, so we know this is sealed by the Logitech company, so we know that this is not open yet by anyone. Okay, alright, so that's what I like. Yes, I wanted as a buyer. Okay, so put it here as a proof. Alright, and okay, so this is how you open it. Okay, that one, you open it, and here we go. Yeah. Okay, alright, here you got some manual how to use your webcam on your TV, on your CPU, laptop, and etc. Alright. Okay, and it's simple. You open this one, and here we go. Alright, so that's it. Yes. Wow, I really like it. It's so big. It's really big, and it's really well look. I really like that. Okay. The design is really nice. Okay, alright, so let's take it. Oh, you just pull this one. Okay, just pull this one out like that. Nothing inside. Okay, see. Okay. Alright, so this is the webcam. Okay, so maybe just so this one you unlock it. Here, and yes, this is it. Ooh. It's really big. It's really heavy compared to the one that I bought before. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, this is the Logitech C920 HD Pro webcam. Okay, alright. So okay, so alright, so let's open here. Just like from here, I think. Okay, so you can see the stand here actually. Alright, and for your information, this one are compatible with the tripod if you buy. Okay, take it here. Alright. Okay, which here at the below here you have a like universal screw that you can directly plug on your tripod. Okay, so that's it. So it's not only webcam you can use for, right, maybe you want to do some, I don't know, some recording video using this one. Okay, alright, you can do that as well. Alright. Okay, so there's a manual here. Okay, so let's see. There's a manual here. Simple manual. Got multi-language, normal, like normal. We call it normal product. Normal other technology product. Okay, as you can see is I don't know. Alright, and no software. Okay, no software, which means I think you can plug and you can use it like normal, like the previous. Okay, let's pull the plastics here. And pull it here as well. Oh, that's look even better. And the last one is here. Okay, so that's it. Here's a better picture for you guys. Right? So you can open it here. Okay, and you can plug it on your monitor. Simple as that, like this lah. Okay, this is your monitor. What you do, you just like this and you put like this. We will hang on your on monitor, and don't worry about we will follow because you got some rubber here, so you make your camera, your webcam stick in one place, so it will not move or will not fall. Okay, alright. Okay, so got some another plastic here. I need to remove it. Okay, for you guys, for our all followers, and here. Okay, you also have. Oh, that's the best feeling. That's the best sound ever. Alright. Okay guys, so that's all for today. So I will okay guys, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will make another video about this product. I will make another video for this product and how good it is, how easy to use it, how good the review, and maybe another video is for comparison between this one and the Xiaomi Zero VV. And hopefully you enjoy this video. Alright, and please like and subscribe our channel to support us, and we will have more product to show to you guys. Alright, and soon we have another product that's really impressive, really enjoy to watch, and hopefully you guys have a good day and stay safe out there, and see you on the next video. Bye bye everyone.